Hello everyone. I am Andrew the Business Coach, and in today's video, I'll guide you through the process of adding products to your Shopify store. Let's dive right into the Shopify dashboard. To get started, head over to the Products section and click on Add Your Products. For our demonstration, we'll be creating a product listing for Paw Cleaner, and we'll name it accordingly. Now, I've already prepared the product description, so I'll simply copy and paste it while walking you through its key components. Our description begins with a core value proposition, emphasizing the primary reason someone would purchase these paw cleaners for cats, namely, to maintain a clean home. Following that, there should be even more bullet points, each addressing a specific feature of the product. For instance, gentle grooming experience and quick and convenient. Drawing parallels to successful marketing strategies, like Steve Jobs' approach with the iPod, we emphasize how each feature directly enhances the customer's life. For those seeking inspiration for their product descriptions, I'll share two examples. Start by searching your product name on Google, appending myshopify.com with a plus sign. This allows you to explore how others are presenting similar products. Upon examining various websites, you can extract ideas and inspiration for crafting your own unique product description. Pay attention to how different sellers highlight features, benefits, and additional details. This research process can provide valuable insights into effective product presentation. In our examples, we observe various approaches to showcasing the paw cleaner. Some emphasize features such as a clean home and easy to use. Others focus on keeping their cats healthy and avoiding parasites and infections. Ultimately, the goal is to gather inspiration from multiple sources to create a compelling and informative product description tailored to your audience. Now, if you're looking for a touch of professionalism in your product presentation, there's much inspiration to draw from other websites. Take a look at how some websites maintain a sleek appearance, even if their product descriptions are not incredibly detailed. By examining their approach, you can gain insights into what they focus on and how they structure their content. Another fruitful source for inspiration is the giant in e-commerce, Amazon. Being the largest platform globally, Amazon likely features the product you're selling or a closely related variation. Conduct a search for paw cleaner on Amazon and explore listings with high reviews and orders. Take, for instance, a private label brand called Mudbuster. Their page showcases a product with a unique logo, and while their description might be brief, you can still use it as a foundation for your own. Extract ideas from their bullet points and product images and delve into customer reviews to understand why people are buying. This valuable insight can shape your product description and even future ad copy. Lastly, Shopify has introduced a new tool called Shopify Magic. This AI tool is a game changer that assists in generating product descriptions based on provided features and keywords. Simply navigate to generate text, input relevant details like paw cleaner, and choose the tone of voice you prefer. This tool can be a valuable resource for crafting compelling and high-quality product descriptions, allowing you to experiment with different tones and styles with just a few clicks. This feature streamlines the process of creating product descriptions, ensuring they are both comprehensive and engaging. Another powerful AI tool in your arsenal is ChatGPT. By creating an account, you can utilize this tool to generate product descriptions. Simply visit the chat section, input your product details, and let ChatGPT work its magic. As an example, let's request a product description for paw cleaners. Once generated, you can refine and expand on it to suit your preferences. Feel free to use this as a foundation, integrating additional features and benefits to align with your product. Remember to follow the template we discussed earlier, adding bullet points and maintaining a customer-centric approach. Now, let's discuss the importance of visual elements in your product description. Shopify allows you to go beyond text by incorporating images, infographics, and even GIFs. To illustrate, let's add a GIF to our product description to make it stand out. Upload a dynamic video showcasing the product in use, enhancing the overall appeal. To find suitable GIFs, perform a Google search for paw cleaner GIFs. Explore various options and choose those that resonate with your product. Once downloaded, simply upload the GIF to your Shopify product page. Furthermore, high-quality product images are crucial for making a lasting impression. Congruent images with a white background to maintain a polished appearance. Utilize platforms like AliExpress, Amazon, and Alibaba to source such images. For instance, you can employ the AliSave Chrome extension to download product images from AliExpress. Add the extension to Chrome, visit AliExpress, and start saving images for your product. Ensure your images are consistent in style and background to present a cohesive and professional look on your product page. By incorporating these strategies, you will elevate your product pages, making them visually appealing and informative. Stay tuned for more insights on optimizing your Shopify store. To begin, add your downloaded product images to your Shopify store. Once this is complete, proceed to set your product pricing. A general rule of thumb is to aim for a 3 to 5 times markup. For instance, if your product costs $10, including shipping, consider pricing it between $30 and $50. Keep in mind that if you're running paid ads, your markup should incorporate at least a $20 profit margin. For organic platforms like TikTok, a 2 times markup can be sufficient. In our example, we'll set the price for our product at $19.99 with a compare app price of $39.99 to showcase a 50% discount. Remember to disable tax charging initially, especially in the early stages. Leave the cost per item blank, and for inventory, specify that it will be stocked at DSers, turning off quantity tracking. When creating a SKU, stock keeping unit, ensure it's unique for each product. Though not highly crucial, it aids in efficient inventory management. Additionally, mark the product as requiring shipping, and you can disregard the weight. Moving on to variants, they represent different options on your product page, such as color or size. For our example, we'll create 3 color variants: blue, orange, and green. Feel free to add more options based on your product's characteristics. For your search engine listing, edit the meta description to make it concise and appealing. You can also customize the URL handle for your product description. Ensure your product status is active and it's published on both your online store and markets. You can opt to add your product to specific collections, such as the homepage collection. Lastly, save your product. Now, with your product page set up on Shopify, it's time to link it to DSers for order fulfillment. Head to the Apps section and click on DSers. Import your Shopify product into DSers. Navigate to the mapping page. And connect your product to the respective AliExpress supplier. Activate standard mapping and link your variants to the corresponding products. Save your settings, and now you're all set to fulfill orders seamlessly on AliExpress through DSers when customers purchase your paw cleaners on Shopify. Remember, you can also import products to your store quicker with the help of DSers Google Chrome extension. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other dropshipping videos.